She cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Denitris, and if you are a returning subscriber, as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this 5-minute wrap ponytail look. Like, come on. Like, it doesn't look like this took 5 to 10 minutes, okay? But it did, and I promise you. So I'm going to show you guys today, if you are needing a quick, easy hairstyle, this is going to be your go-to for sure. If you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys here as a part of my YouTube family. And if you guys want to see how I got this effortless, easy, cute little ponytail look, then just keep on watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. My hair is currently clean. I just washed it, but it does have some product in it because I have been slicking it back all week. My hair has not been flat ironed or anything. It's just literally washed and blow dried with a little bit of edge control, and I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put my hair up so that I can show you guys the ponytail I'm gonna be using. So the ponytail that I'm going to be using is this wrap ponytail. It's pretty long. It's about 24 to 26 inches, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But this ponytail is literally a lifesaver if you don't know what to do to your hair. If you need something quick and easy, like a do your hair, run out of the door type of thing, this is your ponytail. Like, this is what you need. So you can do high ponytails, low ponytails, whatever you like. It's super versatile, which I really like. I picked this ponytail up from my local beauty supply store. I'm sure pretty much every beauty supply store has them, also Amazon. I forgot the exact brand name of this one, but just any wrap ponytail will work. So it's called a wrap pony because you have this little clip here. I'll show you guys. So you have this little comb, and then this piece wraps around your hair. Actually, sorry, this piece wraps around your hair. It wraps around like this part of the ponytail so that it hides the weft. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So for this look, I use very minimal product. I literally just use like an edge control. This is the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipe Tame My Edges Smoothing Gel. And then I use the Conair Pin and Match Styling Bobby Pins. I like the tight ones. If you like the loose fitting ones, you can use those as well. I do use 2 different hairsprays. I use the Kenra Fast Dry hairspray, the number 8. And I like to use this Suave Extreme Hold hairspray, especially if I want my ponytail to last a little bit longer than just a couple days. And then, of course, a comb, a hard brush. So I also use my electric straightening comb as well, just for those areas that I want to kind of just go over and make sure that it's super slick and flat. Also hair tie, of course. I think I am going to keep the middle part. I just love the way my ponytails and buns look with a middle part. So I'm going to take some of this Kenra hairspray, and I'm just going to kind of spray it all over the perimeter of my hair. I'm going to take my straightening comb, or my hot comb, and I'm just going to press out mostly like the perimeter of my hair. I want it to be like really sleek, especially in the nape area. I'm also gonna straighten out this part. I'm gonna start with my comb, make sure my part is nice and straight. And again, you can do so much with this ponytail. You can do like a side part, middle part, no part at all, whatever you prefer. So I want it to hit probably like right here. I think that's perfect. I'm gonna take some of this Aunt Jackie's smoothing gel. Take about like a dime size amount and rub it in. And I'm gonna just slick my hair back. Actually slick my hair with as well. So I'm gonna take a little bit more and use that for the back and on the sides. Now I'm gonna take my hard brush, and this is where I really have to be like careful, because it's like once it's up, it's up. So I always start with the side of my hair, and then I do the back last. The longest part of this process is actually getting your real hair up, like pulled up. Now that I have my hair pulled up to the desired height, I'm sorry guys if I'm looking down, I have a mirror in front of me. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in like a tiny bun, like the tiniest bun that I can. So make sure it's nice and secure. You want to make sure it's nice and secure, but you don't want it to be too tight to where you give yourself like a headache. So I have my little tight top knot looking bun. Then I'm gonna just tuck the rest of the hair underneath my hair tie. So this is like the foundation. I just want to be sure to brush through it. This is the kinky pony. I had to take my hot comb and kind of run through it to make it more silky. First, I'm going to start by separating the part that wraps. So it's just kind of like out of my way. And then I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to stick the comb on the side of the bun. So now that I have the comb stuck inside of the bun, I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna secure it even more, because when you start wrapping your ponytail, you don't want it to move. So I have that in. I'm just gonna start wrapping the ponytail around. Hope you guys can see. I'm just wrapping it. So as I wrap my hair, I'm gonna be bobby pinning it. Again, just to make sure that the wefts are secure. Because, girl, you don't want to be at work or out and your ponytail come out. So you want to make sure it's nice and secure. So now that I'm at the end of wrapping the ponytail around, I'm going to take the part that wraps around the weft itself and I'm going to comb it out, make sure that it's nice and flat, and I'm going to kind of bring it to the front. And then I'm going to take my brush, my paddle brush, and I'm just going to brush through the ponytail starting at the bottom to the top. Now it's time to wrap this hair around the perimeter of the weft to conceal it. So I'm just gonna wrap underneath. If you like, you can take hairspray and kind of spray it if you like. But for me, I just wrap it as is. Just make sure that it's flat. now that I'm almost done, I'm gonna put another bobby pin in the back. If I put it underneath, it's like hard for you to see anyway. So, all right, so I put another bobby pin in the back. I'm gonna take the rest and continue to make sure that it is flat and wrap some more. And then once I get to the end, I'm gonna take the hair that's left and just kind of tuck it underneath and wrap it around. Like so. I'm gonna take one last bobby pin. Again, I'm gonna put it underneath the ponytail so that it's like disguised. You can't see it. Just to secure that band. And then I'm gonna take my paddle brush again and I'm gonna brush through the pony. And you wanna do this with a really light hand. You don't wanna go too crazy. Sorry if I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm liking this. But anyway, y'all, so this is the ponytail. We're just gonna add a few extra little touches. This is totally optional, but I'm gonna use this styling gel again, just to kind of lay my edges. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just kind of, I don't like heavy baby hairs, but I do like for my edges to look nice and laid. And voila, there you go. Quick and easy. That literally took less than 10 minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes tops. Okay. Period. So cute, so easy, so simple. I love it. All right, guys, so that is it for this wrap ponytail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're looking for a quick, easy hairstyle, I got you. I'm telling you, like this, everyone needs one. I'm telling you, just any wrap pony that you like, you can get in different colors, different lengths. Get you one, girl. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a lifesaver for those bad hair days. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here as a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.